Hey everyone, here's a new recipe that I tried. I absolutely love it. It's roasted broccoli, sweet potatoes with beef sausage. You're gonna need beef sausage, sweet potatoes, broccoli, ignore the onion, I didn't use that, olive oil, sea salt, black pepper, balsamic vinegar, and garlic powder. Cut up the broccoli in bite-sized pieces. Peel and cube the sweet potatoes, and don't forget to cut up the sausage. I forgot to film that. There's the broccoli that I cut up. Next, we're going to make our coating with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add in some black pepper, and whisk that all together. Pour half of the olive oil mix over the sweet potatoes. Stir that around to coat them evenly. Set your oven at 450 degrees. Spray your pan. Spread the sweet potatoes on the pan first and put them in the oven for 15 minutes. Pour the remaining olive oil mix over the broccoli and stir. Once the 15 minutes is up, remove the sweet potatoes, add your beef sausage, and cook for another 10 minutes. A little disclaimer, I did make this recipe a second time after filming this, and I changed my oven temperature to 400 degrees because, as you will see, my beef sausage got very burnt. This was only after 10 minutes. Next, I added the broccoli and cooked for another 15 minutes. Once it is done baking, salt and enjoy.